about what is the Legacy Builders program and what isn't the Legacy Builders program, and why do some people think it's an MLM or think it's a pyramid scheme. I want to break all of that down for you, because when you truly understand what the Legacy Builders program is, why I chose this model, I think you're going to really see what you have here. There's so much noise online, and it's unfortunate that people can't understand. To me, I think in the digital space, every model should be like this. And let me explain. But first of all, let's talk about what is the Legacy Builders program. We help everyday people build skills, build systems, and confidence to create multiple income streams online so they can earn more, live with less financial stress, and have the freedom to spend time doing what they love. That is what matters most. That is what is so important. That was the vision I had when I launched my program. And the movement is literally to create a movement of people who choose ownership over dependence. If you have a job, you're dependent upon that job. If you do network marketing, you're depending on that company keeping those products, keeping the comp plan. If you do affiliate marketing, you're depending on somebody else. I wanted to teach you ownership. You own your email list, you own the resale rights, and you learn the ability to add multiple income streams. That's the goal, a beginner-friendly program where you can come here, you can get equipped with skills, gain in knowledge of this digital space, and be able to leave a legacy for your family. So this is it. Okay, if you want to screenshot this is it. This is the Legacy Builders program. So I want to come here, okay? And this is what we are not, and this is what we are. I really want you to understand this. We are not an MLM. We are in the e-learning industry. We have a community that you get to learn in every single day. Yes, you're in business for yourself. You get to keep 100% profit, but my friend, you're not in business by yourself. We don't have to share our profits. Now, here's the thing that a lot of people have a hard time understanding. And I will share with you why I chose the master resale rights. Because if I was an affiliate, I would make so much money off of you guys. Just be honest with you. If I flipped our model to affiliate, I would make a lot of money off of you. I didn't choose this model because I'm a mom first. I'm a grandma. I loved the idea of working from home, promoting products, when I did network marketing, products that I actually enjoyed. I love this product. But to be honest with you guys, I've been actually drinking this product since 2017. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I drink it every day. I get nervous if I think I'm going to run out of it. But here's why I don't promote it any longer. Because I would make $24 or $12 off of a customer. I did the exact same amount of work to make a $12 customer as I do now a $1,400 customer. And when I heard about the master resale rights, and when I heard about digital, and there's not a lot of cost involved. So this is why I chose this model, because I thought of families first, right? I'm like, because it's almost gonna give you 100% of the profits because it's digital and it costs less. Because honestly, my favorite thing is marketing. I love going out there and marketing this program. I didn't wanna sit back at a beach and make money off of people like network marketing is. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be out there in the digital world with you, marketing with you, teaching you what's working, what's not working, the mistakes I made, what actually worked. And when the more builders we grow in our community, the more six-figure earners and self-made millionaires, they get to teach you what's working for them as well. That was my whole vision. It wasn't for me to make money off of you. It was for you to keep the profits. And because it's digital, there's not a lot of cost involved. My team cost me 6 figures a year, but that is why we have let's just keep on going. You get it. So in network marketing, you have to share your profits because there's costs involved. Quite a bit of cost. So I understood that. I just didn't know there was a different model. When I learned it, I'm like, I'm launching this and I'm helping everyday families be able to have this, right? That was something so important to me. Keep buying to make money. This was the hardest part for me in network marketing. We had monthly expenses. So when I launched my business, I mean, I loved the products, but I literally was like, I have to make money because I have my products coming out. Because if you didn't pay for products every single month. You didn't make money. That is the MLM model. I have nothing against that model, but people think we're an MLM. We're not even close to an MLM because you have a one-time investment and you get no monthly expenses. None. Now, if you decide to make your system like the 17-month paid for because you want to unlock more tags, unlock things like that, then that's up to you. You can literally build your business with no monthly expenses. But here's the great part. If you decide to do that with System, guess what? Now you all of a sudden become an affiliate for System.io and you can make money. So you actually can build this business to 6 and 7 figures without any expenses, because the things that you have inside of it, you can either make 100% profit or you can become an affiliate for. That again was something that was so important to me, that whatever system we used, you could also make money off of that. Who wouldn't want that? Like, to me, it's like, this is what I loved about the master resale rights. So if you look at the two, completely different. We are in the e-learning industry. Now, one of the funniest things I hear, which is so wild to me, is it's a pyramid scheme. Do you guys really realize what a pyramid scheme is? A pyramid scheme is when, like, you give me $500. I'm like, thank you. And then you go recruit other people and they give you $500. But there is nothing of value. That is a pyramid. That is so illegal. We would not have been in business as long as we have if we were a pyramid. Okay? And if we were network marketing, there would be commissions being out there, plus there would be monthly expenses. We have none of them in our program. So this is what you purchased. You purchased an educational program, my friend, that it's got a complete blueprint, where I actually ran out of space of everything that you get to learn. It's a complete blueprint. You're gonna learn social media marketing. You're gonna learn email marketing. You're gonna learn funnels, content creation, attraction marketing, webinar strategy that can make you 6 figures. I don't care who you are or what you say. If you master the webinar strategy, you will make 6 figures. Give yourself 1 year. It will change your entire life, my friend. You learn automations. You learn AI. I mean, did you guys attend the AI training on Tuesday or on Thursday? People pay a lot of money for training that you guys all got access to for free, no matter what program you're in. Affiliate marketing, you learned that. Plus you get to be part of affiliate marketing. Build online income streams. You learn how to add multiple income streams. Weekly mentorship. You actually, no matter what program you have, you get weekly mentorship inside of my digital growth community. That call on Thursday, if you're a Launchpad customer, you could be part of that call. I do intense monthly workshops that you get to be part of that give you a deep dive in whatever topic I'm talking to you about at no monthly expense to attend those trainings. That is not a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is like, give me money and just go get money from people. We are nothing like that. We are a complete educational program. And here's what's really, really, really sad to me. Because if I would have launched our program as an affiliate and I took some of your money, people would think, oh, okay, that's cool. People cannot wrap their head around, this is really important, I'm saying to you, my friend, they can't wrap their head around the 100% because they don't understand how digital works. They don't. So do not be offended by that. Just share with them what we really, really, really are. So I'm going to put up here, I'm going to actually give you this little photograph, or is that what it's called? Infograph, that it kind of explains what we are and what we're not and how we're completely different. But I would screenshot this because this is really important. Like, I don't even think you guys realize, some of you, most of you are new, what you actually get your hands on every single day. You get live videos like this. Every single week you get mentorship. It's very, very, very sad. I will share with you, though I've been quiet enough on hearing that about our program and hearing that about our program that I have got lawyers involved now, okay? Because it's not fair to brand new people. It's not fair to brand new families that you're trying to learn the digital space and you hear, well, maybe I don't know what I'm selling, or I don't know, maybe it is. Don't listen to the noise. Look at the proof inside this community of 60,900 people that are here because they learned this, that are here with no monthly expenses. They had a one-time investment for their program and a one-time investment for their website fee. That website is updated. The training is updated at no additional cost to you. You get 5 programs to pick from. I wanted to create a program that was great for anybody, no matter where you are in your journey. If you're like a completely beginner, money's really tight, or this is where you're most comfortable spending. That's why I did that. I didn't want to just make one program. If you can't afford it, that's your problem. I didn't want that. That was never my vision. This is it. This is what you have here. To me, it's the most brilliant business model. And I love hanging out with you guys every week on the live training that you get access to at no additional cost. But I'm gonna come back here. You might screenshot this. But this is it. This is it. We have everyday people build the skills, the systems, and confidence to create multiple income streams online. That's what we do. So they can earn more, live with less financial stress, and have the freedom to spend more time doing what matters. When I did network marketing, nobody taught me this. Nobody taught me this. So I traded time for dollars. They taught me to bother my friends and family. They taught me to DM people. They taught me to spam people. They taught me to actually just direct message people, just friend request people every day. That's what they taught me. If somebody would have taught me these skills, this skill right here, if somebody would have taught me how to build an email list and network marketing, I would have made so much money so much quicker. That is why when I created this e-learning program, I teach you what I learned to hit 6 figures in 6 months. I teach you what I learned how to become a self-made millionaire in 17 months without any money spent on marketing. It saddens me when I see people out there trying to coach people and they've not had success. Like who wants to learn from somebody that hasn't already achieved and done all of this? Like I have a huge following on TikTok. I can show you how to build a huge following on TikTok without spending any money on marketing. Why would you want to learn social media marketing for somebody that's not even built a following? That it doesn't even do marketing, right? This is why I love our program. This is why I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna let you guys keep 100% of the profits. I don't wanna sit at a beach drinking Mai Tais, making money off of you. I wanna make my money by being out there marketing with you so I can get better at teaching you this, so we can all get better together. So we can create this movement of helping people take ownership instead of depending on anybody else. Because the moment you learn to take ownership, you, my friend, can leave a legacy. So please let me know in the comments of this video any questions, any concerns you have. I am here for you, because if you don't have complete clarity, you'll never have the confidence, and then you won't be able to take ownership and you won't be able to leave a legacy for your family. That's the most important thing to me, is you leaving that legacy. You had the courage to purchase. I'm proud of you for doing that. Now I want you to have the courage to follow through, but have the courage to have the complete clarity by asking me questions and answer your question. That is all I care about, is making sure you get to that legacy you want to leave and making sure that you make yourself very proud of yourself.